Having trouble installing the Canon MF264dw II driver on Windows 11? In the next 2 minutes, I'll show you the fastest way to install it correctly and get your printer working. Whether this is your first setup, or you're reinstalling the driver after a Windows update, these simple steps will help you avoid installation errors. Go to Canon's official support page. Search for the MF264dw II model. Select Windows 11 64-bit and download the latest printer driver package. Open the downloaded file, accept the license agreement, and follow the on-screen instructions. If prompted by Windows Security, choose Yes to continue. When the installer asks, connect your printer using a USB cable, or choose your wireless network if you're installing over Wi-Fi. Windows will automatically detect the printer. After installation finishes, open Printers and Scanners. Select your Canon MF264dw II and print a test page to confirm everything is working correctly.
If your Canon MF264dw II still isn't detected or you're seeing driver errors, leave a comment below.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other Canon printer troubleshooting guides.